I feel this training is really going to help me and all of us very, very much. And I really feel for many who are not able to turn up here and get equipped, get renewed, get started, rise up again and move for Christ. I want to say, thank you, Alex. Thank John. I want to thank Blessing. I want to thank Andrew for all that labor you have had before us. You know, starting to share with us this new, I call it a new technique or technical that has made me feel we have been missing this really in Bugweri for quite a long time. And when the two speakers who have gone away speak of like it is salvation again, the two diagnostic questions gave me a feeling that when you ask an individual, it's like God is knocking at their doors, and those who are heaven bound, wake up, listen, as if, you know, the mother ego is saying, please, here I am. And truly, as John the Revelator wrote, when Jesus was saying, I stand at the door and I'm knocking, whoever hears my voice and open, I will enter. This has been very interesting to me. And I want to say, Brother Doy, this is something I never heard of for quite a long time. I was in Kampala for 26 years. I didn't hear about this. I've been in salvation for about 38 years. But this approach is totally unique. This approach is very good, and I'm wishing that I wish I knew this long ago. It would have been so good for a church here in Bugweri. Brother Shaine, it would have been so good for us here in Bugweri, considering all those great mobilizations we have had. Bring people together and send them away without a call for salvation. And gather people, make them happy, and go away without the reality of salvation, of eternal life, of heaven. As I conclude, I appreciate this program so much.
Just a minute before you conclude, based on the experience that you've had, the excitement that you're speaking about, what is your dream for the land of Bugweri in regards to evangelism explosion?
Right now, my dream is to reach out to the many for Christ.
Reach out to the many for Christ.
Yes.
Do you plan to just do witnessing as an individual, or you're planning now to mobilize the entire land, given that we have just had a few out of the hundreds of pastors who are outside there?
I wish and I want this group that has received this training. I want to stand with this group, move with this group, and so that we can reach out to so many in Bugweri.
Reach out to so many in Bugweri.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Bishop, for that commitment that you've made. We appreciate as a ministry, and we are ready to work hand in hand with you, people of the land of Bugweri, to make sure every pastor, every Sunday school teacher gets trained, so that every church member, every Christian gets trained to reach someone else for Christ. Your final remarks.
My final remarks is to beg and plead with my brother Francis Odon that we need it more again. we need it more for another time, and so that we convince many more to come for this training, so that we are able to reach out to many people here in the world.
Amen.